solid, dude. That's a squishy.
Pretty, man. That is nice. Yeah, we could get the chairs.
Huh?
We could get the chairs out here and throw in a line or two.
What? When?
Right now.
Oh, we can grab one if you want. I'm okay with it.
Man, why didn't I bring my sweater, man? It's alright, it's not too bad.
I got my flat over. Just a thin one.
Look at that, how nice that looks through the camera.
Yeah, I know. See, he's got a good camera. Mine wouldn't look that good.
This is about the only time it works.
Okay. Can't see as good through it anyway with that screen protector I got on there.
Yeah, this water
Look that
is pretty high. I like that it's not a sudden drop off, so just in case Lily accidentally fell in there, because she will.
That would be good. She probably would too. She gets too close fucking around, not paying attention. Next thing you know, she tumbled down the thing.